Hello, my friends. Today we are taking a look at this vacuum cleaner. We're going to open it up and show you guys everything you get. Okay, my friends, there's quite a bit to unpack here. Let's first start off with the fact that, okay, they give you two filters, which is nice. One's already inside. Looks like they give you a mesh filter as well. Twist to pop out the filter. Pull the filter out then. Clean it. Place it back in. Try and make sure it's even. Now I'm wondering here. It looks like this just goes over top of your filter. I don't know if you have to have that on, but we're definitely going to put that on there. But it is nice that they give you two filters. You just simply line up the bracket, and then you just twist. Pretty simple so far. Power supply, two-prong power supply. They give you a manual. So this is what it looks like. It does not have a blade underneath here, so keep that in mind. These are the piping, which looks pretty simple. You just simply push and connect. Twist a little bit and connect. Same with this. Twist it, put it in. So far, pretty simple. Pretty simple to do. And then for this, you just, okay, let's actually take a look here and see once. Okay, easiest way of doing this is put this piece in first, and it actually says connect dust cap. So we connect that into here like this, and then the next piece would go on like this, and then this piece would go on like that. All right, well, what do you say we go test this out? Okay guys, we got a nice messy area here. Press the button to turn it on. Press it again for second mode. Press it again to turn off. So you got low and you got high. Now I did on purpose spill a bunch of different items, as you guys can see here, just to see what it picks up and what it can't. All right, let's take a look here. Okay, easy access. So let's say there's something that's stuck. You can easily get your finger down to clear the pathway. That's really nice. Wow. It actually did get quite a few items. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go ahead and vacuum. Well, actually, hold on, my friends. Okay, let's go ahead and pour what it picked up into this little bowl. So we open it like this. We open this like this, and we pour it in. This will give you guys an idea of what it picked up, and then we're going to do carpet. And place this back in. Yeah, so you want to make sure that it's even. The filter is even when you put it in. Twist it, pretty simple. This is what it picked up for the first time. I think it did pretty well. Now let's see how it does with carpet. We do have a dog. And you just slide this back in. Move this over here. Hardwood floors. Mode number 2. You definitely want mode number 2 for carpet. Now we waited about a week and a half without vacuuming this carpet just to see how well this actually performs. Alright, as you can see, we're just doing this little square. Like, this is just a little square. Okay. Let's take this off. See how well it performed. See if it's... Alright, it's not blocked off. That's good. Okay, my friends, here we go. Take this off. Let's actually dump this and rotate it around. Okay, move this here. You guys can see it's empty. Okay, it did pick up some fur, as you guys can see. Let's do it like this. Empty this in here. Okay. Besides the fur, it did pick up some other stuff as well. Let's go ahead and clear off the mesh filter, which makes it easy for cleaning off. Okay, in just this little square, this is what we got. Some dust bunnies and some fur and hair. Just from this little area here. So it does work. Wow. I actually like this for my review station. Like, for cleaning this off. This is really nice. This actually works really well for our review station. And it actually picked up quite a bit. Nice!